All right, so I'm back out to the claim for another day. So I'm just gonna do a quick synopsis of what my plan is from right now on. So the problem I'm running into is the tailing pond that I built last year over here. It's getting pretty filled up with the fine tailings, and the water's starting to back up a little bit over there where I was pumping from. So now I'm gonna pump out of right here. But I'm getting to the point where we're gonna be running out of water here soon. So I'm gonna pump this pond as full as I can possibly fill it until it starts overflowing at some point. Run the trommel here until I can no longer use this pond, and because I don't have the excavator from last year, there's not much more I can do. I don't think this backhoe is gonna be able to dig any of this out to any extent that I can make it. That'll make it feasible to run anymore here. So at that point, I might try to dig some out with a backhoe here. I'm not going to waste too much time there. And then I'm going to, if that doesn't work, then I'm going to move back up top over there. And I'm going to try to figure out something else, see if I can make it work. I don't know how much time it's going to take me, but I'm really hoping I can get this all run and that pile all run in the settling pond before that's done. So anyway, I'm just going to run up here, start the pump, and then I'm going to start filling this pond. And then let's get the pump running and this pond filling while I get everything else set up for the day. And so hopefully I'll get to these two piles run, and then I'll try to figure out what else I can do up here. I guess just all a learning thing. You kind of learn what works and what doesn't as you go along, I guess. Anyway, so I'm not sure how many more days I'm going to be out here. I gotta leave by at least Wednesday. So, but anyway, I'm gonna try to get this pump running and the pond filling. Filling up right away. So now I'm gonna head over to the other pond. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna try to see if I can do anything more in here. I'm gonna try to maybe dig a little bit out here with the backhoe and pile it up with the skid steer. But you can hear the water starting to go, so I'll head down here. Get this pond filling up. There we go. Alright, so I got a little ways and now the spray bar completely broke again. It was half broken, but it just completely gave out. So I got to pull it out and fix it again. Basically what it does right there is it just breaks like that. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try not gluing it this time. And hopefully if it ever breaks apart, I don't know if that'll work, but I'm gonna give it a try. Alright, I'll put it on the trommel here. I don't know if this will work at all, but these rocks constantly keep breaking this thing. This is the fourth time it's happened yeah. So I don't know. I've got to bring this trommel back and work on it. I don't have the means to work on it out here, so nothing that needs to get done on it ever actually gets done. So